The Journey of Incent the Rabbit. In the heart of a sun-drenched meadow, a tiny life begins to sparkle with potential. A cozy burrow brims with warmth as newborn rabbit kits nestle under their mother's protective gaze. Among them is Incent, eyes blinking open to a world bursting with possibilities. Birds chirp cheerfully, and a soft breeze dances through the leaves, silently promising adventures untold. One sunny day, Incent bravely hops out of the burrow, his heart pounding with excitement. The meadow is a paradise bursting with colorful flowers, delicate butterflies, and sweet clover. Every hop invites discovery as Incent gleefully sniffs, tastes, and dances after butterflies, soaking in the magic of his new world. Adventure soon turns to lessons as Mother Rabbit gathers her young. She teaches them to smell the air, hide in the brush, and stay alert. Suddenly, a shadow, a sly fox creeping nearby, puts Incent's bravery to the test. Hiding in silence, he learns the importance of quick wits and courage. With each passing season, Incent grows stronger and bolder. He leaps across new meadows, forging friendships and venturing further than ever before. The world is a maze of adventure, and Incent feels fearless with the survival skills his mother taught him. Spring brings new surprises. Incent discovers Alara, a graceful doe with a playful spark. Together they explore the meadow and create a cozy burrow beneath the stars, ready to begin an adventure of their own. Incent's journey comes full circle as he lovingly teaches his own kits the ways of survival. Watching them hop into the meadow, his heart swells with pride. The cycle of curiosity, bravery, and love continues beneath a sky that always whispers of new adventures ahead.